Alright, so in this video we are going to, install Elementor Pro, and in previous video you saw how to use Elementor, how to install and use in the website, right? So in this video we will be seeing Elementor Pro, and for that let's go to the plugins, add new plugin, and then upload plugin, because we will be installing offline one. We will select here. So here I have the zip file. So once you buy the Elementor Pro, you will get the zip and the key access. Okay. So simply just install now. It will take few seconds. Meanwhile, we will be waiting. So here you can see it is installing, and then you have to click activate plugin. Then once you do that, then we have a file here. Simply you'll get one notepad file where you'll get all the link and key. So you have to just copy and paste, and copy this domain name, and here you can see replace your domain.com, right? So we will simply do this. Here is to http, so we will simply remove it and then done. Here it is asking license fee, right? So we will be given license key. Key is private, so I cannot show you totally, but you'll get your key once you buy it. Here you can see the status is active and you are ready to go. So this was Elementor Pro. Let me know your thoughts on it, and if you have anything, ask me.